How can we install diagrams.net Draw.io on our Mac, Windows, or even Chromebook? We can get this very nice Chrome app. Simply start using the program and then head to the top right here in your Chrome browser. You will see option to install app. And from now on, you will have this as a separate app in the floating window. Keep in mind, behind this is a regular Chrome browser. It's called Chrome app. Same as you can do it with Adobe Express or Photopea or even YouTube Music. So you still need to have Chrome browser on your computer to get this, but you will get this advantage of having the better interface, as you don't need to see the address bar. All of that is very clean here at the top, and also it shows us the separate app in your taskbar, so you will not close this by mistake. So that's how easy it is to quickly install Draw.io as a Chrome app that will be in the separate floating window.